I used to have the office right next to this great sales rep. And when he wasn't out closing deals, I'd always ask him questions about how to get my deals moving. And one day he got a little frustrated with me. He said, "Brian, you know why you keep asking these types of questions?" I go, "I'm just trying to close deals." He goes, "No, you're trying to get to the next hurdle in the deal. You're not trying to understand the deal. You don't understand the game that you're playing. You're reacting to the situation." And I was confused. I didn't know what it meant. And then he pointed to his whiteboard. He goes, "Well, look at this deal. This is my strategy for this deal. I anticipate those things that you're falling right into, these traps." And he says, "This is what most B players do. They're happy getting the next clue in the game to get to the next trap, instead of taking a step back and becoming a student of the game, understanding how the game is played, and having a strategy, not just a bunch of tips and tricks to get to the next level." And this is what we see today. Everyone just loves tips and tricks. Best subject line, best call to action. But that's not selling. That's learning how to handle the next obstacle. It's not winning the game. It's just setting you up for the next trap.